Hey y'all, I'm Raven and you're watching my channel. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Ray is here with yet another DIY video. So since you guys loved the baby shower gift video so much, today I will be doing an Oh Baby acrylic sign. My cousin is having a gender reveal, and as you guys may or may not know, I got a new Cricut for Christmas, and I want to break that girl in. It's purple. My boyfriend got it for me. It is just gorgeous. I'll show you guys a picture of it in a second, but just continue watching to see how I customize this super easy acrylic sign. Before we get started, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get on to the video. So this is a clear acrylic circle from Amazon. I will put the link below, but mine is an 18-inch diameter. So as you can see, it's pretty thin, and I wanted it that way just in case, you know, she wanted to put a hole in it or whatnot. But you guys can see how big it is, like on the table towards the end of the video. The link will be below, so if you guys want to order it in different sizes and or make it thicker and heavier, you can do so. So I was trying to remove the protective film, but it just wasn't coming off. I don't know if it was my nails or whatnot, but I ended up taking my Cricut tool, and it's like a pointy end to it, so you could use that or some tweezers if you have it, anything pointy to peel it up. But just be careful not to scratch the film. It is plastic, so any sharp thing will scratch it. That's why they put the protective film on top of it, just so that, you know, in delivery it doesn't get messed up. But as you can see, the tool that I used was perfect, and now I will be painting this. So because it's a gender reveal, we're going to do it half blue, half pink, since we don't know what the gender is at the moment. And I don't have the specific colors that I use, but honestly guys, you can use whatever colors you want. You can go to Michael's or Walmart like I did and get I got the smallest bottle possible because I knew I didn't need a lot, and just get onto painting. So from here, you guys will see that as I start painting, I avoided the top, but in the end, you'll see that I ended up going back and filling in the top. I will show you the idea that I had that I found on Pinterest to what I was trying to achieve, but once I did everything, it just didn't look right. So I ended up going back and filling in the spaces. So from here, I'm just going to speed up until we get to the part of the Cricut, and I hope you guys like it. So for this specific part, I ended up mixing the two colors and putting that down the middle just so that we can get like a gradual transition from the blue to the pink without it looking too separated. The paint was still wet, so I was able to mix the two and just make it look like it's blended. So you don't have to do that if you're a painter, you know what you're doing, but I'm not a painter, so this is my first time doing something like this, but that's why I wanted to record it for you guys, because anyone can do it. It's beginner friendly, and if you're looking to bring something in addition to any of the decoration that you're having at your baby shower, or if you have your own baby shower coming up and you want to make your own DIY to save money on decoration costs, then this would be perfect for you. So yeah, that's what I did at that point, and as you can see, that whole space that I left at the end of each, it didn't look clean. I probably should have put some tape so that it didn't see through the tape and it was like a clean line similar to the picture. But you know, you live and you learn. I'll probably do this again, and I'll do it a different way next time. Okay, now we are on the part of the Cricuts. If you guys would like me to do a separate video detailing how I, decided how big I wanted the letters and whatnot, just let me know below, and I'll make a separate video on the positioning and how to, I can do a DIY or a how-to of using the Cricut. But I already printed and had my Cricut cut out the words. So we did O and then baby. I did it on gold paper because I asked my cousin what color she wanted, and she wanted gold. So I did both of those separately. As you can see, I'm using my Cricut scissors to cut out both of the words. And now I'm going to be using my tool to peel off the outside and the inner vinyls to separate the word on the sheet. So just watch and see what I'm doing. It's, pretty self-explanatory, but be careful. Do not be me. I really be rushing. I don't know why I be rushing, because I got nowhere to go. But I be rushing, and, that causes room for mistakes. So just make sure you guys are taking your time. Like, as you can see, I just, ripped it just a little bit. But when it's done, you can see the O perfectly fine, and that is ready to transfer. And then I'm going to do the same for baby, and then we're going to show you guys how to transfer it from the printed vinyl to the acrylic board. Okay, so as you can see, I just positioned the words just to see where I wanted it and, how I wanted it to look. And now it's time to use the transfer paper. So you can use Cricut or the brand that I have, which is Scissor. I got that from Michael's. And basically, I just align the word onto the transfer paper, and then I cut out how much of the transfer paper I need so that it fits that word exactly. And from there, you will peel the transfer paper. So one side is clear, the other side is white. So you will be pulling the clear side from the white, and the clear sticky part is what's going to go face down on top of that word. sorry if it's like cut out a little bit, but just let me know if you guys need me to do an extended video and I will. But yes, as you can see, I put the sticky part on top of the word. You can cut the pieces a little bigger just to make sure. But yes, I lay it down and then I use the scraper that comes with the Cricut. I think I'm about to use it right now. Or use your hands just to make sure there's no bubbles in that, and you put it aside and do the other word. This is where the scraper comes in. You just hold one side while you press down using the scraper just to make sure that there's no bubbles, as well as that the vinyl transfers to the transfer paper. Now guys, I'm actually pretty upset because my camera died and I don't have the footage of me putting on the vinyl onto the acrylic sign, as well as me finishing the painting. So unfortunately, this is the end of the video. I'll just show you guys, like right now, currently I'm taking the same tool that I used before to remove the protective film on the other side so that I can lay out the words and then put them down. Yeah, once that's done, basically you just pull the transfer paper away from the white paper and the gold part will now be on the clear transfer paper, and that you would just put back on to the acrylic sign and use the scraper again and then pull the transfer paper off, and that is how you get the words to the acrylic sign. I'm so sorry about that, guys, but I'm in luck because my boyfriend is now an uncle of twins and I have a new project to do. I'll be making the months, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months for both of the twins, and that will be a new video, so please stay tuned for that. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for the finished product, and hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one.